Well, our primary objective is rehabilitating and providing ongoing care for big scrub remnants. They have the embodied genetic history of, for some species, over 200 million years of evolution. So there are about 60 big scrub remnants, and our objective is to get all of those under effective and ongoing management. That's a long-term objective, and we've been progressing towards it over the last 15 years. And we currently work on just over 50 remnants. There are a few more that we have worked on in the past. Those 50-odd remnants, or the 60-odd remnants, have an aggregate area of about 750 hectares, and basically that's all that's left of the big scrub. There are, of course, additional patches of regrowth, and in addition, there are significant areas now on which rainforest has been re-established by planting and by facilitating natural regeneration, and also by converting camphor patches to rainforest. So we don't actually have a quantitative objective for the re-establishment of rainforest because we facilitate that in a number of ways. We provide the basic data in our Rainforest Restoration Manual, which has a unique database of species and their attributes for planting, which people use all the time. Occasionally we get a grant for doing plantings. The 20 million trees is a good example of that, where we've been able to focus our work on expanding remnants and linking remnants that are close together. Our third objective, we've got rehabilitation of and ongoing management of remnants. We have re-establishment of rainforest on land from which it's been cleared. And our third objective relates to community engagement, where we seek to run the Big Scrub Rainforest Day annually, to run at least 2 field days, to have our website updated, and to produce at least one edition of our newsletter each year, which is a substantial publication. On the community engagement side, the Big Scrub Day is one of the biggest and longest running and most successful land care community engagement events in Australia. Our dream is to have total connectivity on at least one of these corridors. So what we concentrate on are first of all linking remnants, and the 20 Million Trees program has been very helpful in that regard. We also focus on expanding remnants to buffer them and to expand their area, which increases and enhances their biodiversity. So the 20 Million Trees program has been really helpful in re-establishing rainforest on land from which it's been cleared, and also in enhancing connectivity across the Big Scrub.